today take a look at red cap shirts. And as you can see here, I've got 4 of them. They're all exactly the same because this is a shirt that I like. I actually have 2 more. One of them I'm currently wearing and the other one has a backup. And the reason I got 4 more here is because I just like them so much, I just got a bunch of them. These are 4XL. They are the dark blue and these pretty much just go with everything. And on top of that, they actually fit me well, feel comfortable, and make me look good. So this is basically the only shirt that I'm ever going to be using. So they do button at the neck. The collar is surprisingly comfortable and it doesn't get all messed up all the time like I get with some other shirts. This is the only logo. It is behind the shirt, so you do not see any logos on the outside of the shirt, which is exactly how I like it. And it's a really nice material. Like, this is super comfortable, and plus in Las Vegas it gets real hot and it's actually somewhat breathable as well, so it allows me to stay cool. But you can also see this stitching right below the collar, so that allows the shirt to fit right, to actually sit right on your body. Something that surprisingly a lot of shirts do not have. We got these lines stitched on the shoulders, so this thing, I mean, yeah, it's just designed to fit well on a large body, and it actually looks good on you. So yeah, that's the reason I got all these shirts. It's the best shirt.